So what's up, YouTube? Oh, camera moved a little bit. So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy. I gotta verify my account. I tried to go boy, I ain't never seen a community outreach program Memphis Police cheese bus, but it's white. But it's the bus of a cheese bus. But anyway, I'm on my way to Chick-fil-A, guys. The hottest fast food filet restaurant in Memphis. Man, I know one thing, it was cold this morning. I went to take my son to school. I couldn't even turn around at the door. It was that cold. Like, man, I know your car ain't sounding like that beside me, bruh. I'm on YouTube. Hey, it happens, guys. That's a Saturn. Yeah, that was a Saturn engine, and that Saturn was that a sedan? But anyway, he tried to pass me. I guess that's why his engine revved up like that. I wish I could show y'all this, but this guy literally needs a back scratcher. His wife or girlfriend is going to work on his back with them 5 fingers. You feel me? With those 4 fingers and a thumb, you know. Bro, you done hopped on the other side of me, bro. Yeah! Everybody hear it? Yeah! It might be the alternator, though. That's an old little joke back in the day. It might be an alternator. Anyway. Yeah, I'm on my way to Chick-fil-A, man. I'm finna use some breakfast chicken bites, whatever. I'm trying to cut back on all this animal that I'm eating, man. I'm really only eating chicken, but I don't even want to eat that, bro, because I love animals, bro. I've never met a chicken. Let me stop lying. I eat chicken nuggets. Let me stop lying. But like a live chicken, like, yeah, I've never. I bet y'all tripping at this shit. But anyway, if you ain't getting that Chick-fil-A sauce, bro, don't talk to me, bro. Don't talk to me, because you ain't human. That Chick-fil-A sauce busting, bro. Like, man, I be getting, like, when I get the 30 count, yeah, I be getting the 30 count, I ain't gonna lie. Now when I get the 30 count, I be like, hey, I need 10 packs of sauce. 10. Sometimes they'll give me 15. Now I don't use every sauce, but I don't want to run out. Facts, straight like that. No way around. I don't want to run out. And then what makes it so bad, they got it in the bottle at Kroger's, you know, at these at your Kroger's or your Walmart or whatever, and it don't taste the same, bro. Unless my taste buds just, I don't know, don't work when it comes to. Whoa, it just spooked me a little bit. Dude just drove in a big puddle. His muffler was hot, I guess, and muffler got cooled off for a bit. But anyway, it don't taste the same in the bottle to me. So I need the sauce packs. Straight out of Chick-fil-A. Yeah, I need the sauce packs. Yeah. Yes, am I the only one, or do people don't trust? But people don't trust you know, Yard sales. That's it. Bro, I don't know what you did with your clothes, bro. Nah, I don't shop at thrift stores, but I will. That's kind of backwards right there. But anyway, I used to model, so I used to have to go into a thrift store and, you know what I'm saying, get this, that, you know what I'm saying, make it match or whatever. But anyway, let's talk Chick-fil-A. You rather get six bite, I think it's a 6-piece chicken bite, 12-piece chicken bite, 15 and a 30 count. Why I get them 30 count every time? Hold on. Oh, yeah, I take my son to school. Shit, I'm tired. Excuse my language. Oh, but yeah, man. I just wanted to give you guys a video. It's my what's this? Thursday? This is my Thursday. I go back to work soon. I've been on vacation. FMLA, doing my thing. You know what I'm saying? Taking care of the fam, hold it down. You know. But I hate being bored. I don't know about y'all, but me, I seriously hate being bored, bro. I have to always be doing something. Hopefully that doesn't take me out, because I just be trying to, you know what I'm saying, stay active, proactive, react to actions. Hey, y'all know I can rap, right? I got a little stuff on the ones and twos, you feel me? Like I be doing my thing, you know what I'm saying? I can even rap off them little Call of Duty little, you know what I'm saying, little beats or whatever. Like, y'all can get through, bro. You know how folks be trying to turn at the lights. You gonna go? Yeah, he's slow. Boy. You through! But yeah, though, she better not hit nobody. She gonna hit the steering wheel. She gonna swear somebody hit her. No, you hit yourself. Your own car hit you. You too close on the steering wheel. In the world. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Chicka. Big girl don't know what to do with it. Big girl don't know what to do with it. Boy, you like Corey off of That's So Raven, boy.